Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering a topic that was requested by one of our subscribers, how to change your tire. Whether you're a new driver or a seasoned pro, a flat tire can happen at any time and it's important to be prepared. This video will take you through the step-by-step guide on how to change your tire, as well as some important safety tips to keep in mind. So let's get started and make sure you're ready for any unexpected roadside emergencies.
A blessed day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about one of the challenges of being a new driver, and that is changing your flat tire. Actually, no one teaches us on how to do this, right? And it's something that we didn't think about before until we encountered an experience wherein we're stuck on that side of the road with a flat tire. Of course, the best thing that we need to do is look for the nearest vulcanizing shop. And if the damage is not big or hindi ganun kalaki yung butas, maliit pa siya, I think the better option is to go to a vulcanizing shop, have your tire fixed. If medyo malayo naman, one option is, of course, if you have your tire inflator with you, it's very important that we have our tire inflator in hand with us. And we can have our tire inflated until we reach the vulcanizing shop. I think that's the best option. But mga karems, if talagang no choice, we need to change our spare tire, I think you're on the right video. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how to change your spare tire. And by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident and prepared for this type of emergency. Samahan nyo ako mga karems. Okay, step 1 mga karems. Proper placement of your warning triangle or your early warning device. Before changing the tire, it is essential to place the warning triangle, the visible spot, mga karems. It should be at least 50 meters behind your vehicle. Okay, it may be in front or behind to alert other drivers on the road, especially if you encountered your flat tire around the highway or expressway. Okay, the way to assemble your early warning device or your triangle, the way to assemble this one mga karems is pretty straightforward. It comes together with your car. So spread nyo lang yan, then assemble nyo lang. It has a stand so that it will be stable. Okay, when you place this one 50 meters behind your car. Okay, so this is your actual early warning device. Okay, step 2 mga karems is to find a safe location to change your tire, okay? The first thing you want to do is to find a safe location to change your tire. Make sure you pull over to a flat and stable surface and turn on your hazard light to alert other drivers. Okay, napaka-importante ng mga karems. I experienced that before as a first-time driver. I placed my car on an inclined position or location. So by the time I put the jack and lift the car, I almost had an accident mga karems because the jack fell off because of that location and of course because of the weight of the car. So you need to avoid that type of accident mga karems, okay? Okay, step 3 is you need to retrieve your spare tire and your necessary tools. Most cars come equipped with a spare tire, a lug wrench, and a jack. So mga karems, I'll show you how to pull out the tire, okay, from our Tigo 8 Pro and what are the tools equipped together with our Tigo 8 Pro. Okay, tara halika, tingnan natin. Now mga karems, I'll show you the location of tools and our spare tire and how to pull them out. It's under this one mga karems. So you need to remove this one. Okay, so we need to remove our cabin curtain mga karems. So this one. So the tools are located under here. So let me walk you through. We have your early warning device or your warning triangle. You have your jack or your scissor jack together with the jack rocker. So this is your jack rocker. Towing eyelet. So in changing our tire, we will not be needing this one. Okay, and we have your bolt wrench. Okay, so this is our bolt wrench extension rod. Okay, so this is our wrench extension rod. The way to remove our spare tire, we need to remove this cap. And after removing this cap, mga karem, so we'll need to place this wrench extension rod, okay, here, and the bolt wrench here. And we're going to rotate this one, mga karems. Okay, this is counterclockwise. Okay, okay, yan. Dali lang yan, mga karems. Bumaba na. Okay.
Okay, pulling this spare tire here. So pakita ko muna, no, so that you can see. I'll just explain how to remove this one. Okay, so what you're going to do once this one is already on the ground, twist this one and kita nyo, ikot lang natin yan, then puwasok lang natin doon sa butas. We will insert losing this one through this hole, okay? Ganun mo, i-lose mo. Okay, ipasok ko. Yan. Okay.
Okay, this is what our spare tire looks like. So it's a donut type. Makikita nyo, there's a number here that stands for 80 km maximum speed. So once na gumamit ka ng iyong spare tire, take note that your maximum speed should be around only up to 80 kilometers per hour. That's for safety, okay? Okay, after that, mga karem, step number 4 is to remove the bolt while your tire is still on the ground. Okay, remove the bolt while still on the ground. Okay, before jacking up the car, it is essential to loosen the bolt. We need to loosen the bolts that hold the tire in place. Okay, we'll be using our bolt wrench, mga karems. And it's also very important, if we'll be removing this one, it should be on a start position. Okay, ano ibig sabihin ng start position, mga karems? Just to explain this one. Okay, so for example, you'll be removing this one first, then next this one, okay, and next this one, okay, yan. This is the top part, so let's try to remove it. Okay, ayan. So, hindi naman siya totally remove. Just loosen this up. Pag medyo matigas siya, mga karems, use wrench extension rod that's come together with the car. Okay, yan. This one. Lakas po, mga karems, no? So, just loosen up. So after loosening the bolt, mga karems, so step number 5 is we need to lift the vehicle. We'll be using this scissor jack, okay, and I'll teach you where to place this scissor jack. There's a proper placement for this, and I'll be teaching you some safety reminder. Okay, this is the side of the car that's flat. We need to put some block, okay, on the opposite tire, okay, just for safety in case we're lifting this car. The car will not be moving down, okay? So, just for safety, mga karems. I know, naka-handbrake naman yan. Some safety precaution, okay? Okay, so just a reminder where to place this scissor jack. So, as you can see, yung scissor jack natin, meron siyang there's a slot for here. We will be placing this scissor jack, okay, kaya meron yan, dun sa pinch weld side ng ating side ng ating car. So, saan ba yung mga pinch weld side? Let's look underneath. Basically, this is the pinch weld. Yan. Okay, so this is the pinch weld. Okay, so there's a slot actually in all cars. It's a pretty common thing. The scissor jack in the middle. Okay, for example, on this side, so meron ka makikitang parang curve. There's a hole. You'll be placing the jack in the middle. For example, in the front naman, okay, dito naman sa harap, so you have this is your pinch weld. And you have a slot here. Ayan, no? Meron siyang curve. This is the other side. And you'll be placing the jack in the middle of this one. Okay? These two semi-groove. Okay? Tara, let's do it. Let's jack up the car. Okay, after finding that location or that pinch weld location for your scissor jack, then it's time to lift the car. Jack rocker. Yan, insert lang natin yung jack rocker dito. One important safety reminder then, mga karems, if you'll be placing your scissor jack, it should be on a firm foundation or solid like this cement or road, because don't do it within a gravel or sand kasi pwede mag-cause siya ng accident, pwede siyang biglang lumubog, mga karems, okay? So take note of that, safety first. Okay, after lifting up the jack, Okay, so just remove all the remaining lugs or the remaining bolts, okay, within this tire. Then we'll be pulling this out. So sometimes mga karems, medyo this one is quite stiff. So just shake nyo lang yan. Matatanggal yan. Tanggalin na natin yung gulong dito. And then we'll be replacing it with our spare tire. Let's place it. Magandang exercise to mga karems sa umaga. Let's just place the bolt. Placing this one still under start position. Now it's always on a diagonal or the star pattern. Let's loose up the jack. Next step mga karems is to loose up the jack, and then let's check the tire pressure. Okay, just one reminder mga karems. Okay, there's a warning so max speed of, ito yung sabi ko kanina, that your maximum speed should only around 80 kilometers per hour when using the spare tire. And I think there's also a caution here. Talagang this is only for temporary use, okay? Okay, and one more thing, reminder, some information about this. I think this one is R17. Okay, there's a required pressure here. It's noted here, mga karems, plate to 60 PSI. Okay, nakalagay dyan. Or napaka taas na tire pressure niya, 60 PSI. I think 60 PSI is around mga 4 bars siguro, around 4 bars. Our regular tire pressure is around 2.1 to 2.3 bars. The reason for that mga karems, kaya this one has a higher pressure since spare tire siya, there are times na it's losing its pressure, okay, for the time na hindi natin siya ginagamit. And given yung size niya, it's really small. I'm not sure if a regular tire pressure such as 2.1 to 2.3 bar is enough for this donut tire or for this spare tire, okay? Just take note of that. Okay, baliktad lang. So, counterclockwise. Pagod? Alam niyo, ito yung pinakamahirap, but you can't get out. You need to equip with this basic knowledge, and it will come handy in times of emergency. So I hope this little tutorial will help you. Kasi papagod na ako. Sige, ikot-ikot lang. Ay, malapit na. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you change the tire. Parang ang cute. Last step mga karems is after loosen up the jack, okay, we need to tighten the bolt, okay, while on the ground, okay. So use the extension rod to tighten this one to put more pressure. Yeah. We need to bring our flat tire to the nearest vulcanizing shop mga karems. When fixing your tire sa vulcanizing shop, ingatan yung ating tire pressure monitoring sensor here. It's located here. Nandito siya under the valve. Just take note of that para hindi masira ang ating TPMS. Okay, so that's it mga karems. That's finalize our video. Changing a flat tire is a skill that every driver should learn. So that's very important. First, it may seem daunting, but if you have the right tools and you have the right knowledge, you can easily replace a flat tire. And remember to always stay calm. Just stay calm, then follow the steps I have outlined from this video. Take note all of the safety precaution that I have mentioned within this video. And I hope you found this video helpful, especially for those who are new to driving. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching mga karems. See you next time, and God bless po.